To install RSAT in Windows 11 and Windows 10, the first workaround is through Settings menu. Go to Start button, choose Settings and click on Apps, and from the right side choose Optional Features. Thereafter click on View Features. In search box type RSAT and you will find all its related features will appear here. Make the check against each and click next. Install RSAT using Powershell. Install all the components at once. Go to Windows search, type Powershell and click on Run as Administrator. Powershell Windows is now open as administrator mode. Here type the command as mentioned below. These commands will also available in video's description. Get-WindowsCapability Name, Add-WindowsCapability Online. Through this command all the related feature will install in your Windows 11 system. Second one, install the components one by one. Go to Windows search, type Powershell, open Powershell as administrator mode. Here type the command and press enter. Here you will enter the name of the features and it's one by one it will install in your system. That's all.